Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset the Whoop 4.0 health tracker. First, make sure your Whoop 4.0 is on your wrist or placed very close to your phone. This is important because the app needs a stable Bluetooth connection during the reset process. Now open the Whoop app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the device settings icon. You can usually find it at the top right corner of the home screen, or sometimes under the More tab depending on your app version. After opening device settings, scroll down and tap on the Advanced tab. Inside this section, you will see the option called Reboot Device. Tap on it to begin the reset process. At this point, keep the Whoop app open and do not move the sensor too far away from your phone. Wait at least 30 seconds while the Whoop 4.0 reboots. During this time, the tracker may disconnect for a moment and reconnect automatically once the reboot is complete. If you want to completely remove the Whoop from your phone, go back into the same device settings section and tap on Unpair or Remove Device. Next, close the Whoop app completely. Open the Settings app on your phone and turn Bluetooth off. Wait around 10 seconds, then turn Bluetooth back on. Now find your Whoop band in the Bluetooth devices list. On iPhone, tap Forget this device. On Android, tap Forget or Unpair. Finally, restart your phone to fully clear the connection. Thanks for watching.